Flying high, the science of flight. Flying is like magic, but it's also science. Let's learn some cool things about how airplanes and birds fly. Wings and air. Birds and airplanes have special wings that help them fly. When air flows over their wings, it creates lift, which pushes them up into the sky. Going up. To go up, airplanes and birds tilt their wings upwards. This helps them catch more air and lift higher into the sky. Coming down. When it's time to come down, airplanes and birds tilt their wings downwards. This helps them glide smoothly back to the ground. Flapping and soaring. Birds flap their wings to fly, while airplanes use engines and propellers. But both use the same principles of aerodynamics to soar through the air. Flying is a wonderful adventure that shows us how amazing science can be. So let's spread our wings and soar like birds in the sky.